Hello friend, this is Ryan Hicks of TalkToProfit.com. This can be a little different video than what I normally do. In this video, instead of teaching you something, I want to offer you some teaching. And I want to offer you in the form of free email coaching from me during this month. Now, I have to be very clear, I have very limited time, so I'm opening up spots and this is free. There's no commitment, there's no buy something, there's no trial or anything like that. It's just completely free. I want to be a blessing to you. And the only thing I ask of you is that you take it seriously, really put your heart into it, go into it knowing by faith that you're going to get good results, and it's going to be a blessing for you. As I said, free, there's no charge or anything. The only thing you have to do is email me. I put an email address in the description. That's a temporary email address, so if you're emailing me about something after November of 2021, it's not going to work. It is not going to be applicable to any other businesses or anything I got going on. So if you want to contact me for other things, go to my website and contact me there. And as you can read in the description, all you have to do is send an email to that email address and put in the subject line, "I want your free email coaching." That's all you have to do. I will get back to you as soon as possible, or I'll have an assistant get back to you as soon as possible. But the email coaching will be from me directly. There may be an assistant setting up the timing for the coaching, but it'll be me talking to you in the email coaching. It is my heartfelt prayer. This is a blessing for you, that this ministers grace to you, that this edifies you and builds you up and helps you get the great results that you want in life. My friend, I pray this is a blessing for you. May God bless you richly.